Hey Lucy, I need some help with English. I keep making mistakes and I need to avoid them.
Don't worry. Mistakes are part of the learning process. But let's make sure you avoid some classic ones. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready to be mistake-free.
Great. Let's start with a big one. It's about saying I have 25 years.
Oh, I say that all the time. What's wrong with it?
It's close, but in English, we say I am 25 years old. You're not having the years, you're being that age.
So my age is an adjective now. I guess I'm a young age then.
Exactly. You're young at 25 but old at 100.
Okay, noted. What other mistakes should I watch out for?
How about this one? I can to go to the store.
Oh no, I definitely say that.
You don't need to there. It's just I can go to the store. When you use can, you don't need to add to.
Oh, it's like magic. I was just canning all wrong.
Yes, you were. Let's do another one. Have you ever said, I'm boring instead of I am bored?
Oh, that one's easy to confuse. What's the difference?
Boring means something is making you feel uninterested. Bored means you feel uninterested. So, I am bored means you're the one feeling it.
So I'm not boring. Just bored. Got it.
Exactly. Okay, here's a tricky one. She don't like pizza.
I definitely say that. I think it sounds right.
Nope. It should be she doesn't like pizza. When you talk about he, she, or it, remember to use doesn't, not don't.
Oh, so I've been messing up the doesn't club all this time.
You were definitely on the wrong side of the club. But don't worry, you're in the right club now.
Okay, last one. I'm very interesting person. Is that wrong too?
Yep. You need to say, I am a very interesting person. Don't forget the A. You need that article.
So it's an interesting mistake I'm making.
Exactly. But now, you're ready to be mistake-free.
Thanks, Lucy. I feel much smarter now.
No problem. Keep practicing, and you'll be a grammar master in no time.